I think we are live. Let's just have a check here. I think we are live. Started our live session. Let's just check me, and we are starting soon. Okay, so let's just check. Okay, yeah, we are live, and we are starting our session. So in the last session, we have been practicing of all the OOPS pillars, and also some of the basics questions related to OOPS concept and the 4 pillar, and starting towards with the master problem that we left in the last session. So let's continue with that. Okay, so we have a level 5, the Grandmaster Hero Blender. Okay, so here we have you successfully passed all the foundations training. It's time to unlock a final boss challenge. The challenge requires you to put a 4 pillar, okay, 4 pillar together in a structure postgrid system. Okay, so in the last session also we've tried to create a system, but in that we achieve most of the things, but also we have checked the flaws. So today we will be try to do some best, give our best. So let's just check. Okay, display volume is full, that's good. Let's just start. Okay, you have successfully passed the foundations training. It is time to unlock your final boss challenge. Okay, postgrad system. Create a system digital platform. Netflix Hostak simulator. Okay, it's a great question. Let's just see. We have to create a digital streaming platform. You need to build a system that tracks the content subscription, user playback, and the content licensing rule. Okay, so like these questions, it will be a help to us in the future to create great products or something system designing helping. So let's start. Okay, abstraction, follow abstraction and encapsulation. Create a base class. Okay, let's create a base class. Content. Okay, it takes the title and a private premium costume as a premium cost, the licensing price. It's in a constructor. Let's create a constructor. Created a constructor, and this title premium cost. Okay, created a constructor, and this dot title equals to title. Okay, after that this dot hashtag premium cost equals to premium cost. Okay, premium cost. Okay, done. Let's create a private variable, that is premium cost. Okay, created a private variable. Done. What else we need to do is premium cost. It takes a title and the private premium cost licensing price. It must have a private method. Okay, let's create a private method. Calculate. Always remember, when we use a calculate this calculate tax, in which we have put a hashtag which is indicates the private variable. So this comes one of the important pillar of the encapsulation. If you know about that, you can comment it out. We will love to see your comment. So let's go forward. It has a private method. It's adds a standard fee. Okay, it must expose a getter called licensing fees. Okay, get licensing fee. Okay, we got a licensing fee, and say that safely returns the premium cost plus tax. Okay, premium cost plus tax return return this dot hashtag premium cost plus tax. It will be written. From where does this calculate tax will be written, something which we will be getting here. Hashtag calculate this dot hashtag calculator. Stop this dot hashtag calculate tax. Okay, it will return some of the amount, right? Okay, from the outside world can read the value but never edit it. Okay, inheritance, let's follow the inheritance. Create two class. Okay, two child is movie and TV show. Let's create a class movie and other class is TV show. Okay, so we have been created a two class. First is a movie, second is the TV show. Okay, that's great. Let's just check our audio is audible or not. Okay, okay, audio is fine. No issue with the audio. Let's continue with question. Okay, so we have created a two class. One is just a second. Yeah, inheritance. We have been created two class. We have forgot to extend. So whenever you are inheriting some class, parent class to child class, remember use extend. So extend the parent class, which is content, and here we extend parent class, same, because both are the child class of a single parent. Let's move. Movie should accept a unique property duration. Okay, constructor, it has a duration and it will be dot this dot duration equals to duration. Okay, similarly this also having a constructor and this has a total episode because it's a TV show, it will have episodes. Okay, constructor, created a constructor, this dot total episodes equals to total episodes. Okay, it has been created a total episodes. Polymorphism, both class must be implemented a method called play. Okay, polymorphism, both classes must be implement a method called play. Okay, has a method, public method play. Let's see in that what will be happen here. Play. Okay, it has a both play. Movie dot play should log a streaming movie title, durations, minutes. Okay, let's just see. It should log console dot log streaming, stream is streaming movie. So recent, you can comment out your favorite movie. So I also get some interesting updates, so I want to watch some movie. You can give me some idea to watch this, your suggestions. Open for your suggestions in the comment section, and loving to say that. Okay, so movie show is this and it should has a title. Okay, how should be a title used? So we will be using here super keyword. Okay, before that template literal should be used, forgot to use that template literal, and here you are using this constructor, which is a parent class constructor we will be using here, which is this super dot title. Super dot title will be, and the durations will be here. Okay, durations in minute. Okay, so it has a duration, this dot duration. Okay, we again forgot the template literals that use that. Okay, so what was the longest movie you have been watched till far? I think it's 3 hours maximum that I've watched a long movie. In fact, the Dhurandhar is the longest movie, I think so, that I have watched. Mention what you have been watched a longest movie so far now. Okay, super the title, this the durations, we will in now minutes. Okay. Dot, dot. And about the streaming show, it should be like streaming show. Here again we will be using the template literals. Let's use the template literals here. Okay, and it will be having a title. So using here super dot title, which will be inheriting from the parent class. Okay, super dot title, and after this we are having what? Okay, it has a total episode. So let's see the total episode. This dot total episodes. Okay, episodes, and here we will be episodes loaded. So like this we have been followed the instructions, and after this the system loop create an array containing, okay, dot play each item and dot licensing fee to prove the architecture is running cleanly. Okay, so here is something unique, that is licensing fee, dot licensing fee. So what will be the calculate tax? Let's just go through the above, what it is about. Okay, so basically we are writing code for the oops, and we are working with oops 4 concept, 4 important pillar, and creating a digital streaming platform code. So we are followed abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism in the code. So just want to figure it out how the licensing fee feature will be working here. So calculated tax, okay, title premium cost we have been taken as a constructor, and here we are this is the empty state, and now we have to see how the calculate tax will be work here. Okay, licensing fee, what is the licensing fee? It will be a property, like a property it will be called. Okay, so these are the code for subclass. This is a movie and the subclass is a TV show. This has been completed. Just 18% we will be calculate tax, that 18% premium cost. What is the premium cost? It takes the title and the private premium cost licensing fee. The licensing fee, the premium cost is the licensing fee. Okay, in its constructor it must have a private method calculate tax, okay, that adds a standard fee. How should it be calling? Let's just see. Okay, the play movie, create an array containing, let's follow first this thing. Let m1 equals to new movie okay, new movie. In that we are passing, okay, I just forgot something, I think so. Encapsulation, title and the base thing. Abstraction, title, calculate licensing fee. To create it, accept a unique property durations, and so to accept the unique property total episode. Okay, content will having a title premium cost. So movie we should be facing a name. Let Dhurandhar, spelling is right or wrong? Dhurandhar, okay, Dhurandhar, and it costs some around 350. Okay, let's we have a 300, fair enough. And I think so here we forgot to this, so let's give a title, comma price, comma duration, similarly, and it will be super, comma title and price. Okay, okay, for movie we have been done, and similarly we will be doing for the title, comma price for the this, and here super keyword we will be using, and title, which helps to take the value from base class to parent class. Okay, we have been followed. Okay, Dhurandhar, new movie Dhurandhar, and it's extra streaming. Okay, how it's a play and licensing fee, pay and licensing fee we have to use. Okay, So let's have a duration. It has a durations of 3 hours. 3 uh, 3 hours will be multiplied by minutes. Okay, so it's 60 minute, 3 into 60, 3 6 are 80, 180 minute kind of. And after that, let movie extend. TV show is 1 equals to new TV show. Okay, new TV show. It has a like what will a TV show? TMC over. What is a Tarak Mehta ka ulta chashma? Tarak Mehta ka ulta chashma. Okay, TMKOC. Okay, after a long time I remind them. It has this its price mainly just 200 price, and it has a episode of 12 episode. It's not like a TV show. Okay, let's have a 12 never ending show. This is a okay. Let array equals to m1 comma tv1, and after that we will be have a loop as per our questions requirement equals to array dot length and add plus plus. Okay, let's loop this and console dot log what we are doing. Okay, it's actually console dot log actually there, so we didn't have to console dot log. We just print array dot I, which will be having an individual class okay, instance. So instance dot play. Okay, will be play. Let's have a run play first of all. So undefined. Okay, 12 episode landed, so this is undefined. Why? Let's just see. Super dot title. Let's try this dot title Durandar. Okay, so my bad, we didn't have to use super, we can use this dot title. Okay, yeah, we are using super here, right? Okay, let's just see. Okay, Dhurandhar 180 minutes and TMC 12 episode loaded. Okay, for now okay, now other thing is we have to on each item check and print out their licensing fee to prove your architecture is running cleanly. Okay, so we have to also use with the dot licensing fee. Okay, for now there is a no licensing fee, I think so. Yeah, we have to check how we are going to license them. Premium cost. Okay, title premium cost. I just didn't understand the premium cost thing here. It takes a title and a private premium cost the licensing fee in its constructor. It must have a private method calculate tax. But when we get here 12 durations, here didn't have a licensing cost, right? We didn't mentions also somewhere that it has a licensing fees something. So basically we are creating a oops concept project, and in that we are dealing with all the 4 pillar of the oops concept: encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction and polymorphism. But in this question we are stuck here the licensing fee related. So we have created a getter function, but in that how we are going to calculate tax. So let's just assuming the premium cost content title. Okay, constructor title price. Okay, 300 price we are getting and we are providing there. So we getting the premium cost, but it is a premium cost, right? I think we don't need. Let's try with Mirzapur, and both of the Mirzapur is because both has a same. I think it has a web series also, and it's coming to movie also. Let's giving a movie for 300 and 200 we will be 12 episode. And what it's about Mirzapur. Okay, so currently output is Mirzapur 180 TV show. Okay, like this, and we are getting a price also, the premium cost. So the premium cost will, how it will be working. So before that, just check duration. Create a two instance of a TV shows. Should I set a unique property duration? Should I set a unique property total episodes? Okay, and that we're getting the two different value. So how we are dealing with the two different value? Just little bit confusing how we will be managing the two different value, because we are having a two different type of a value which we will be having. Yeah, most probably we will having this during using. Let's calculate tax. What we are getting, the premium cost, this dot hashtag premium cost, and is premium costs, let's have a tax equals to, let tax equals to premium cost, and it's multiply by 0.118 18% GST. Let's take this, and tax. Okay, here we will again taking a, let's copy and this. So after calculating a percentage, we will just adding to the premium cost, and we got here. Let's directly return to this. So we got this, it will return this, and the licensing way will be premium cost. So why we need to add this here? Because when we see, we are adding this thing here, premium cost, so it will be working. Okay, let's just check. So okay, the premium cost is how it's working. Return the premium cost. Okay, does we need to log or just me? Okay, safely returns the premium plus cost plus tax. Outside the world can read this value but can never edit. Okay, so here we need to console.log, so they can read but they can't access. So just check console.log is a 354 and the 326. So I think we have been completed the program. Let's just cross check and final check, and after that we will be just checking the output. Okay, so we have been created a digital streaming platform. So in that we are using abstraction encapsulation, created a base class content, check title, check premium, check cost premium, check. Okay, title, here we have got this. If I lag behind something, you can got it my using the comment section. We will love to see your comment. Okay, title, premium cost. So what was the most what we call most expensive movie you have been watched till now? So this is a title, premium cost, calculated tax. This is the okay, licensing fee. That is the getter function that we used. Okay, movie show TV. Okay, movie, and this is a TV class. It has accepting the duration, it has accepting the total episode. Great. And the polymorphism, we are both classes must implemented play. Okay, both has been implemented a play. Yeah, I think so. It's almost done. Let's just check check the solution and review it. Review it. Let's just understand, are we completely correct or something we have been wrong. Okay, let's just check. Absolutely hero achieved. Okay, 10 out of 10, we got a 10 out of 10. Okay, just a second. Okay, you nailed it completely. Every single pillar of the object oriented program is perfectly balanced and working exactly the way it would be the production grade application. So congratulations. So type congratulations, we have completed the questions with a 10 out of 10 score. Flawless encapsulation, you keep the premium cost completely private, no one can bypass it correctly outside. Pure abstraction, robust, truly a tiny nitpick for perfect production code. Okay, super tight price and maps to premium cost. Okay, while the code perfectly, JavaScript passes the parameter by position. It's a best practice to keep the variable name identify. Okay, so just a small tip we got from the agent that our parameter should name the same exactly. So we will be having easy. Your official JavaScript hero. Okay, comment hero. We are become a hero now. What will the next journey? Okay. Uh, Before moving forward, let's understand the prototypes thing. So we are having a prototypes. Let's start with the prototype basics and similar and give similar uh, similar similar next level thing thing which is valid to real world programming. So we master both. Okay, so we are moving forward with the prototype in JavaScript in the object oriented. And okay, to master the prototypes you need to understand the big secret. JavaScript doesn't have a real classes. Under the hood, the class syntax just uses a syntactical sugar. Yep, we know that. Remember, it's a class is in the JavaScript. The class is just a syntactical sugar. So pretty weight type of writing. Top on a prototype and a constructor functions. Mastering the prototype view means understanding how exactly the JavaScript manages memory in real world. Okay, what is a prototype? The memory saver. In the JavaScript, every object has a hidden link to another object called its prototype. If you create the 1,000 users using a class or a constructor function, copy pasting methods in every single user wastes memory. Instead of a JavaScript, attach a method to single shared prototype object where user instance looks up a method via the prototype chain. Okay, in short, what is this saying that instead of using the multiple classes multiple methods in the different things in the functions, just create a class and use a single shared object prototype. So again and again repeating. So instead of repeating, we will be having a best instance classes properties. Functions, users, username, this dot username. Okay, constructor function. So now we are practicing the construction function. We are already we have been practiced this thing, and we are moving forward. So we are mastering this now. Attaching a method to the prototypes shared all across the instance. User dot prototype dot login equals to, this is an anonymous function. Okay, and creating an instance. Real world concept, prototype pollution and security. In the real world production engineering, understand prototype is a vital for security because prototypes are shared globally. If an attacker alters object.prototype, they can inject malicious code into every single object in your application. This is a critical security vulnerability known as prototype pollution. Okay, so this is a something new thing that we have been discovered and understanding, that prototype pollution and security, because security is the most important thing that we have to maintain in our code, because anyone can attack it. So let's just understand how it's working. Okay, just a second. Let's move forward with understanding more deeply. Let's just check voice checks short. Just a second. Okay, just to have a small voice check before moving forward. Let's move forward with understanding more deeply. Okay, it's good. Voice is good. Let's move forward. So your practice roadmap. We will be tackle the step by step just like before. Let's start with the problem that reflects the real world library development like Axios or Lodash are built. Okay, I know about the Axios, but I didn't heard till now about the Lodash. So if you heard about the Lodash thing, that is, I don't know what it is about. Axios I know we are using for the fetching purpose for the data. So if you know about, mention in the comment and share with us your knowledge. We will love to see. Let's move forward. Lodash. What is a Lodash? Okay, it's a little curious. The plugin utility library basics to intermediate scenario. Imagine you are building a custom validations or a system manipulation library like Lodash. Okay, so Lodash is like a custom validation or a manipulation library. Lodash, okay, that is okay, interesting. You want to extend the JavaScript built-in behavior safely using prototypes. Instruction: create an old school constructor functions called product that takes a name and prices. Okay, so we are now working with the constructor functions. Okay, so let's just take a look over here. So function, we are construction function called product. Okay, product. Okay, we need this thing, and here we are using this dot name equals to name. Yeah, I think so. Just to check username, name. Yeah, we are good to go. We are using name. This is our constructor here, constructor function, which means this is the constructor. Just cross checking the every time that I'm good. Name, and here is the price. Okay, so we are dealing with the constructor function. Let's go. Price, manually attach a method called apply discount percentage to product prototype. Okay, this method should reduce the product's price by that percentage. Okay, so let's understand what we are doing. So we are working with the constructor functions. It's a little bit different because it's from the old part ES5, using the ES5 functions. I think so. We are having this. So constructor function we have been created this dot pro name and this dot price. In that we have attached a method called apply discount percentage to the product prototype. Okay, let's create a product dot prototype. Okay, we have a product dot prototype. Okay, dot apply discount. Remember when we have creating, yeah, I think so, like this only we have created the prototype here. Okay, it has a percentage to, okay, this method should reduce the product price by that percentage. Okay, let's see how we are accessing here. So this dot price equals to percentage, this dot price will be minus with this dot price multiply by percentage. Okay, so it percentage first need to be divided by 100, and after that it will be going with this. Let's create here max dot flow, so it will be reduce the external things, and here it will be multiply with this. After getting, let's have a little more carefully. Okay, so little bit smaller. So what we are do, this dot price and mat dot floor, first it will be percentage divided by 100, and it will be just mat dot floor, and after the mat dot floor it will be multiplied by this dot price, and this will be minus, and this whole thing will be stored in the this dot price. Okay, like this it's going to happen. Create a two separate instance of the product, example phone and a laptop. Okay, so here we are creating an instance. Let's just cross check. Okay, creating an instance, same. Okay, same, nothing changes here. Okay, let's have a instance. So we are going to create two instance, that is a phone equals to new keyword and the product. Okay, it has a phone and it has a laptop equals to new product. Okay, in that we are okay, apply a discount of one of them, print both prices and use a strict equality comparison to verify that the both objects share the exact same function reference in the memory. Okay, write without the constructor and the prototype code without using the class keyword at all. Okay, so here we are not using the ES6 version of a class, we are moving forward with the ES5 version of the JavaScript, in which we are using the constructor function, not the syntactical sugar of the class. Okay, remember that. What is the syntactical sugar? Yeah, do you know about the syntactical sugar that we have been discussed in this video? If you know about it, you can comment and share with us. So let's move forward. To verify the both objects shares the exact functions reference in the memory. Okay, paste it the below, and once we verify your syntax we will be immediately level up. Okay, the next thing is prototypical inheritance, the prototype chain. Okay, let's understand first this question and go forward with created two substance. Example, phone and a laptop. We created a phone and a laptop. Okay, user 1, user 2. Okay, let's it with P1 and L1, passing this phone and passing this laptop like this, and it should be having a price of that I have a budget of 25,000. Okay, and it's a laptop is a nearly 40,000. Yeah, these are my budgets, and let's just see, apply a discount. Okay, apply a discount of one of them and print the both prices. Use a strict equality comparison to verify both objects and share the exact same functions and reference in the memory. Okay, apply a discount to one of them. Let's add a discount to P1 dot apply discount. Apply discount is we are getting a 40% discount flat. Let's have a 40% discount. In the phone we are getting a discount. Why wait you got a phone? Yeah, for phone only. uh, 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 oh, that's a great tip. Okay, thank you, Raghav Bansal. We got your advice. We will try to work on that also. So let's move forward with the questions. So here we got a deploy, and let's just console.log. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, console.log. So let's see. Okay, unexpected token, line number 9. Okay, what is the issue in line number 9? Okay, so here there is a something extra. This is there, this is here, and I think so it didn't need this thing. Let's just check. Prototype unexpected token. Apply. What is this mean by unexpected token? This is, they don't want a prototype. Okay, I don't think like this it will be work. Okay, we just okay, actually it not work like this. It should be having like this anonymous function. So forgot to anonymous function here. If you insert here, because we are not using the latest method, I just forgot, because we are practicing the previous thing, so now it's really working. Undefined, why it is so undefined? Oh, because it doesn't return anything. Return this dot price equals to, so we got 25,000 this dot price. Okay, apply discount. Does the discount with we will be having a something then starts to, okay, let's just check. Two separate instances of a product, example phone laptop equals to, should it return something? This method should reduce the product price by the percentage. Okay, let's just do nothing here. We will be trying to okay, console.log, yeah, it's about p1 dot price, because it's the object, and assume it is like a key and this is the value of that value. Okay, console.log about the L1 dot price. Now we are seeing, I hope so it will be discount of the 40%. Let's just check. No, it's not. Okay, after the discount also it's not affected. Okay, sure to clip edits. Bro, it's just 18 plus, you can assume. Okay, so we are practicing JavaScript hook concept, and currently we are practicing the constructor functions. So you also join us and practice with us. Love to see you. You can join our community also. Here we sharing each other questions and solving our problems, understanding the programming. Console.log price dot why doesn't this price, this dot price equals to this dot price minus this dot price. Okay, let's just like this, understand first of all. Okay, product, the percentage this dot price equals to, okay, which is actual price comes here, it will be multiplied by the math dot flow and percentage. Okay, let's have a per let, okay, let per equals to this, and after that it will be having this dot price equals to okay, minus equals to per. Okay, and let's see this. Something we are doing wrong, I think so. This should be written. Okay, nope. Let's just check it. Okay, console.log this dot price after here, check here. So this is kind of a debugging that we are doing, nothing happens. Let's just check the, what about the per 0, what? Okay, actually the percentage is divided by 100, it's 0 point something, 40%, 40 is 0.40. okay, let's remove this and to fixed. Let's just check this. 10,000. Okay, so here we are getting wrong. We have a to fixed, right? To fixed thing. Okay, let's like this, to fixed 2. Yeah, it's work like this only, I think so. So let's just having a 40 41%, not 41%, let's have a 38%. 9500, okay, and we got check here. Okay, so it's working now, fine. So you can see we got just checking 38 percentage of 25,000. Let's just check. Okay, calculator. Okay, what is the breaking here? I didn't know. Okay, we are having not 15,000, 25,000. Okay, where is the calci? Is there any calci? See, 25,000. 25,000, and it has a percentage of 38, which equals to 9,500. So 9,500 will be minus by, okay, so let's just AC, and 25,000 minus 9,500, which equals to 15,500. Okay, congratulations, type congratulations, we have been solved this question. So this is the constructor function. We have been create a constructor functions, not the class. We have created this using the constructor function in the JavaScript. We are also having a class thing, which is the ES6 version. So we are working with the ES5 version of the JavaScript, and here we created constructor function. Using that, we created the instances. Here you can see, and this is a prototype that we have created using the thing for saving the memory space. And what else the question has been told to us? Apply a discount of one of them, print both prices. Okay, we have printed the both prices. Use a strict equal, compare the both object, exact, share the exact same function. Okay, console.log p1 dot apply discount equals to L1 dot apply discount. Okay, let's just try to run. It's true, you can see this is a true thing. To verify both the exact same function reference in the memory, so we have just checked the reference of the memory. This is the true thing. The both function is the same thing, the single function that we're using. What else? Okay, so I think this is the whole thing that we have in practice today. Check the solution. Okay, your implementation excellent. You avoided the class keyword that we are telling that. Bounded the property inside let constructor function, manually hit the method dot product dot price. You extremely okay. One critical dot to fix is a trait. But before we advance closely to line, okay, JavaScript, okay, to fix dot to is a trait. In the JavaScript returns a string, not a number. For example, 38 divided to fixed yield is 0.38. Why it works here? Because JavaScript implicitly coincide the string back to the numbers, because you use the multiplication operator. Okay, that's for safe. The risk, if you used an additional operator, JavaScript would concatenate them. Yeah, if we in the JavaScript we have addition operator is having a two things to do. One is the simply additions and other is the concatenate. So if you know about the concatenate, share your views about this and explain what do you mean by concatenations in JavaScript. Okay, we will love to see you. So second level is the prototype chaining. So yeah, today we have been solved the two questions. One of the OOPS multiple 4 pillars of the OOPS concept based questions, and now we have been practice the constructor functions. So I also practice the prototype thing. So we are practicing the prototype chain in our next session. So in the next session we will practice with the prototype chain, the prototypical inheritance, the productions app you often need to one constructor functions to inherit it. Yeah, so soon after this all the session we will practice and master this. So after that we will be try to create some of the packages like project or some of oops based project. In that we will be seeing the real production level things. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you to watch us, and we will meet you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day. Radhe Radhe.